Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you how to withdraw money from Pocket Option to your bank account. First, go to pocketoption.com and log into your account. On the left-hand side, click on Finance and then select Withdraw. Now, withdrawals on Pocket Option are only available after you've made a deposit. Once enabled, withdrawal requests are usually processed automatically within minutes, but for bank transfers, it can take up to 3 business days depending on your bank. In the withdrawal section, choose bank transfer as your payment method. Enter all the required details like the amount, your account number, bank name, IFSC code, your full name, phone number, and address. Don't forget there's a $10 minimum withdrawal, so make sure your request is above that. Once everything is filled in, click Continue to confirm your request. And that's it. Your withdrawal will be processed and sent to your bank account. If you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next tutorial.